How to fix apps keep crashing or apps closes while opening them on Android. So if you want to fix the apps which keeps crashing and if your apps won't open, then the very first fix is to check your storage on your Android phone. So if your storage is full, then this kind of things might slow down your Android device or might keep crash. So you need to simply go for settings, and under your settings you may have a storage option. If you have the storage option, simply go for the storage and you can simply see your storage. Or if you don't find the storage option, go for the search under your settings and you need to search for storage, and here you will have RAM and storage space, and here you will have your storage. So I still have the storage left. So here, if your storage is full, then you need to go for manage storage, and here you can remove some items to clear some space or have some space. But if your storage is not full, then what you need to do is go back and you need to find apps, tap on the apps and go for see all apps, and you need to find the app which keeps crashing. So for example, if my Facebook keeps crashing, then you need to simply open up your Facebook. Once you've opened, you need to go for the storage, and under your storage you may have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and then you need to tap on clear storage and clear your storage or your app's data. So tap on delete and delete your storage, and you need to clear all of the storage, and then again go back to the Facebook login page or Facebook application and log into your account, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply remove everything, and then you can go for your Play Store. Under your Play Store, go for the search for Facebook, and under your Facebook, if you have an update option, then you need to simply go for update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. So in many cases, if you have not updated your application, then your application might keep crashing or might have some issues. So update your application and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.